Complete guide for beginners on e-commerce platforms with easy payment options in 15 steps for 2024. Step 1. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform that suits your business needs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Magento. Step 2. Set up your store. Create a professional-looking store with a unique domain name, logo, and theme. Customize your store's design and layout to reflect your brand's identity. Step 3. Add products. Create product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Organize products into categories and subcategories for easy navigation. Step 4. Set up payment options. Integrate payment gateways that offer easy payment options such as credit debit cards, e.g. Visa, MasterCard, Amex, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, bank transfers. Step 5. Configure payment settings. Set up payment settings such as payment methods, e.g. one-time, recurring, or subscription-based, currency and exchange rates, tax rates, and calculation. Step 6. Add shipping options. Integrate shipping options that offer easy checkout and tracking, such as flat rate shipping, calculated shipping based on weight and location, free shipping. Step 7. Set up order management. Configure order management settings such as order status updates, e.g. pending, shipped, delivered, order tracking and notifications, customer service email notifications. Step 8. Integrate with accounting software. Connect your e-commerce platform with accounting software, e.g. QuickBooks, Xero, for seamless invoicing and bookkeeping. Step 9. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your e-commerce platform is optimized for mobile devices to provide a seamless checkout experience. Step 10. Implement security measures. Implement security measures to protect customer data and prevent fraud, such as SSL encryption, secure payment processing, fraud detection and prevention. Step 11. Offer loyalty and rewards programs. Offer loyalty and rewards programs to encourage repeat business and customer loyalty. Step 12. Set up affiliate marketing. Set up affiliate marketing programs to incentivize partners to promote your products. Step 13. Integrate with social media. Integrate your e-commerce platform with social media platforms, e.g. Facebook, Instagram, to drive traffic and sales. Step 14. Monitor and analyze performance. Monitor and analyze your e-commerce platform's performance using analytics tools, e.g. Google Analytics. Step 15. Provide excellent customer service. Provide excellent customer service through multiple channels, e.g. phone, email, chat, to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up an e-commerce platform with easy payment options that will help you grow your online business in 2024.